In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page numbers from your document effortlessly. Whether you're working with a lengthy report or a simple multi-page document, sometimes you need to eliminate those page numbers to keep things neat and tidy. Let's walk through the process together and make sure you have everything you need to get it done correctly. First, open your document and look at the top menu. You'll want to navigate over to the Insert tab, located conveniently at the top of your screen. Once you're there, search for the option that says Page Number. Clicking this will bring up a drop-down menu that presents different page numbering options. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and select Remove Page Numbers. This action should effectively clear the page numbers from your entire document in most cases. However, if you're working with a document that has sections, sometimes you'll find that not all page numbers are removed in one go. Sections can be a bit tricky as they allow different formatting styles throughout your document. If you notice some page numbers still lingering after the first step, you'll need to employ a slightly more hands-on approach. Simply double-click in the header or footer area of the page where you see the unwanted number. Doing this will allow you to open the header or footer, essentially unlocking it for editing. Once inside, locate the specific page number field that you want to remove. Select this field by clicking on it, which should highlight it, making it clearly identifiable. Now just press your Delete key. This action will remove the page number manually from that section of your document. After you've successfully deleted the page number, it's time to close the header or footer. To do this, look for the option labeled Close Header and Footer in the top right of the design tools that appear, or simply double-click outside of the header or footer area. Both methods will exit you from the editing mode, allowing you to view your document without the distraction of unnecessary numbers. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to remove page numbers from your document. By following these steps, you can ensure your document remains clean and free of unwanted numbering, which is perfect for when page numbers aren't necessary or desired. Remember, documents with sections might need a bit more attention, so feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful in making your document editing a bit more seamless.